I'm using 3mm hook and yarn weight 2. But you can also try this one in different sizes and it will create a different size of heart. So we're gonna start with a slip knot. If you don't know how to make slip knot, you can check out this video. Place the hook inside and make chain of 4 and connect it in a circle. And if you don't know how to do it, you can check out this video and also check out the following videos to learn the basic stitches. Now make chain of 3 instead of first double crochet, and we're gonna be making another 13 double crochets in the chain 4 circle. So in the end we're gonna have 14 double crochets connected in a circle. I'm making the last double crochet and I'm gonna connect it with slip stitch to the first stitch of this row. We're gonna start the next row with chain of 2 instead of first single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet and double crochet in the next stitch, 4 treble crochets in the next stitch, double crochet and half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet increase, half double crochet, half double crochet, and half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, half double crochet increase, half double crochet and double crochet in the next stitch, 4 treble crochets in the next stitch, double crochet and half double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet, and join with slip stitch to the first stitch of the round. So we have second round done, and let's start with the round number 3. Chain 2 instead of first single crochet, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet and half double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet. Now we do double crochet increase, and double crochet, and we repeat this one more time. Double crochet increase and 1 double crochet, half double crochet increase, half double crochet, 4 single crochets, single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, 4 single crochets, half double crochet, half double crochet increase, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet increase in the next stitch, and repeat it one more time. So 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet increase, 1 double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 single crochet. Join with slip stitch with the first stitch of the round, and we start round 4 with another chain of 2 instead of first single crochet, 2 single crochets, single crochet and half double crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet increase, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet increase, 2 single crochets, single crochet increase, 6 single crochets, single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, 6 single crochets, single crochet increase, 2 single crochets, half double crochet increase, half double crochet, double crochet, double crochet increase, double crochet, half double crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets, and join with slip stitch with the first stitch of the round. We start round 5 with chain of 2 instead of first single crochet, single crochet, 2 half double crochets, double crochet increase, double crochet, treble crochet, treble crochet increase, 2 treble crochets, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, half double crochet, single crochet, single crochet increase, 10 single crochets, single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, 10 single crochets, single crochet increase, single crochet, half double crochet, 3 double crochets in the next stitch, two treble crochets, treble crochet increase, treble crochet, double crochet, double crochet increase, 2 half double crochets, single crochet and join with slip stitch with the first stitch of the round. Now we're gonna make the last round, round number 6. We start with chain of 2 instead of first single crochet, 2 single crochets, half double crochet, double crochet increase, double crochet, 2 treble crochets, four treble crochets in the next stitch, treble crochet, 4 treble crochets in the next stitch, four double crochets, double crochet increase, half double crochet, 13 single crochets, this is 5, single crochet, half double crochet and single crochet in the next stitch, 13 single crochets, half double crochet, double crochet increase, 4 double crochets, four treble crochets in the next stitch, treble crochet, 4 treble crochets in the next stitch, 2 treble crochets, double crochet, double crochet increase, half double crochet, two single crochets, and join with slip stitch with the first stitch of the round. And that's it. I cut off the tail long enough so I can attach it straight away with the tail to my other crochet piece. If you like this kind of pattern, you can follow my channel and check out my crochet it yourself kits, which includes all the material that you need and also written pattern, pictures, diagrams, and these kind of videos. If you have any feedback or suggestions how to make things better, let me know in the comments.